Monica McCarthy with Coldwell Banker, and I'm here with Wendy Schwarz of Peakview Mortgage, and I wanted to talk a bit about mortgages and their business today. Thanks for coming, Wendy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, thanks for inviting me.
And tell me a bit more about what Peakview Mortgage does here in Salida.
Peakview Mortgage does a wide range of mortgages. We do conventional, FHA, VA, USDA, one-time close, large acreage, off-grid, manufactured homes, renovations, refinances. We also do reverse mortgages.
Okay, so pretty much anything anybody would want in this area,
correct,
Peakview Mortgage provides. That's awesome.
And
That's
USDA, I don't know if I said USDA. Yeah, I think I said USDA.
Okay, yeah, so pretty much everything out there. Okay, and how long have you guys been in Salida?
I've been in Salida almost 18 years.
Okay.
Next year. I've been in the industry, finance and lending industry, for 30 years.
Okay.
Our new office location just opened here in August.
Okay, yeah, and there are neighbors of Coldwell Banker, so so great. So you guys, why did you choose to open a business here in Salida then?
I had the opportunity to, my business partner, Matt, asked me at the beginning of the year if I would join him at Peakview Mortgage as a mortgage loan originator. And so I looked into it and decided to join him.
Okay, great. Well, awesome. Well, welcome to Salida. Mm-hmm. And then what would you say your customers love most about working with your business? I'm
going to say, honesty and experience goes a long way. We also have very fast approvals and very low loan fees.
Oh, okay.
And I try to look at every loan through my client's eyes and consider their story and goals. And then I like to use my knowledge and expertise to put them in a loan that I would choose for myself.
Okay, so you can recommend a loan product that works best for them. Okay, that makes sense. That's a good selling point for you guys. So for right now, if you're a buyer watching this and you want a few tips, what kind of tips would you offer buyers that are trying to find a home in the Chaffee County area right now?
The first tip: get pre-approved. That way, you know what kind of property you can look at, what you can afford, and your realtors. I mean, I think it makes a big difference to realtors if someone comes in with a pre-approval letter. That way, the realtor isn't wasting,
wasting their time or
that you're showing the best interest in them for what they can afford and what they can go out and look for.
For sure. Okay. So then, how would somebody go about doing that? How would they get pre-approved?
They can, contact me at Peakview Mortgage. We do have we have an online application process, but it's easier just to call, and usually in 20 minutes or less, I can take an application.
Oh, okay, great. And then you would give them a document for them to give to their realtor? Is that how that works?
We have a pre-approval letter, yeah.
Okay.
And then the other thing I would probably caution on is appraisals, depending on where the property is located.
Okay.
The cost in a rural area is can be a lot more and take a longer time.
Okay, so Salida City proper would be less than, say, out in Saguache or Cotopaxi or something like that.
Yes,
traditionally.
That's what we're noticing.
You're seeing that. Okay, what kind of variance in price are you seeing then?
I think within this area, 500 to 900, and you can look over 1,000 up to 1,300 in some of the more rural areas.
Okay, so just as in when you're looking for houses to budget that in, and that's something that an appraisal they pay for at closing, right? But still, it comes out of their bottom line.
It does, but we collect for it up front.
Oh, you do.
So the appraisal has to be paid for up front, and then it comes off. It credits them at the end.
Okay, gotcha. So definitely keep that in mind if you're looking for houses in the rural areas. And then give us an update on interest rates. Right now, it is November 28th, 2018. They're changing daily?
By second.
But where are we looking right now? What kind of range are we looking at?
I tell people, all buyers and just anyone even refinancing, rates are still historically very, very low.
Okay.
And rates depend on the buyer. So what the type of loan they're looking for, your down payment, the type of property, your credit score, and a lot of people don't realize this, but lender paid mortgage insurance versus borrower paid mortgage insurance will also affect the rate.
Oh, okay. That's good to know. And so just what do you suggest somebody who's looking for a house that's on that interest rate matters significantly for them to be able to afford a house, just to check in with you on where rates are?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's good to know. And anything else for buyers who are looking to purchase in the Chaffee County area? Do you have any other insight or tips we should keep in mind?
Not really. You know, it's a great area. It's a beautiful area. You know, I love what I do. Been doing it for a long time, and I would just say, you know, I would take the time with a borrower like I do anyone, and a lot of sometimes they need. They want to be in the know. Sometimes they don't want to be in the know. So I look at each borrower differently,
Gotcha.
and then they, you know, tell me what they want, and I'll
To not overwhelm them if
Right.
they don't have a
Right.
million questions. Yeah. Some people just want to be guided and some
Right.
want all of the information.
Mhm.
Okay, great. Well, that's great. You can customize your services like that. Okay, well, thank you, Wendy.
Yeah, thank you.
And please contact Peakview Mortgage. I will have some information in the links in this video, and use them for your buying needs in the Chaffee County area.
Thank you.